sooner or later.
Give them to me. Give them to me, might still be time.
Please, John. Help him.
Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.